Hey everybody, this is Stratagem, and today we're gonna watch My Little Pony Generation 5 Tell Your Tale Season 2 Episodes 20 and 21. That's Oh, a New Friend and Attack of the Vending Machine. So yeah, first one is going to be a Laura episode, because I can see Laura on the thumbnail. So yeah, is someone going to try and befriend Allura? I don't know. Would be a bit weird seeing how she technically had a whole storyline in front of her. That of course never came to pass, but yeah, I mean, at least we get to see Allura. I think that's a good thing. So yeah, let's move on to episode 20. Here we go. Izzy, and we're at the beach again. So fairground is Jason. Oh, you finally right. They hadn't discovered the newly frosted cave.
That didn't look like a pony. Maybe they're new to town. Oh no, I haven't gotten them a welcome to Maritime Bay Wanna Be Best Friends fruity basket. Come on,
Jesus.
get it together.
Just like Pinky in that regard.
So you see, the loop-de-loop will increase yumminess by 36%.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Okay. You ran in a fruit basket. No time to explain. Bananas now. Okay.
Yeah, bananas is the correct word for you.
On the house. Love you. Bye.
Nobody wants your silly straws.
You know, Twitch, there is one thing about this cave that I'm thankful for. No ponies.
Ah, too late.
New friend? Wait, Allura?
You? What are you doing in here?
The door was wide open.
You destroyed the Nova Charm, the one thing that could have freed me from this steamy wasteland.
I didn't mean to, but I did bring you this. Maybe we could be friends.
Yeah, maybe not.
I don't want your fruit, and I certainly don't want to be friends. Now get out of here.
I think I can still do the bit of mind control magic.
Oh, now that's frosty.
Or did you just forget everything?
Better get them one of my handy-dandy welcome presents. Because it's not just a straw. It's a way of life. Sunny, new friend.
Sonny, nobody wants to join your cult.
Bananas. But you just got it. Thanks, love you, bye. Love these bananas. This is gonna be great.
Allura, maybe don't reset her memory.
Yeah, this is perfect for her.
Allura's not having a good day with this nonsense.
Wait, Izzy, hold it. Who exactly are these fruit baskets for?
I don't know yet, Zipperoonie. They just moved into a cutie little ice cave down by the beach.
Yes, you do.
Who we know that likes ice? Allura!
You have to stay
And
away
of,
from that cave, Izzy.
and of course, your first thought is Allura, not the Auroricorns.
I'm sure she's like kinda mad at you.
That's why I really should give her some fruit to apologize. You ponies worry too much. Bye, love ya.
Don't worry, we got this.
Hey,
Yeah.
Allura, I brought you some fruit.
That's it. I've had enough. You and your hooves and your horns and your sickening desire to be friends. Oh.
Okay, I promise I'll never come back again.
Or I could just make sure that you never bother me again.
Yeah, good thinking. Why didn't you do that in the first place?
Hey, let her go! I've got an idea. Follow my lead, sis. You got it. Bravery. confidence.
The element of bravery, the element of nonsense. And then Izzy got impaled. You know, this could have gotten so bad.
My heroes.
No time to celebrate yet, Iz. Come on.
Get out and stand!
Well, that's an abrupt ending. Yeah, I guess this is one of these situations where this definitely was supposed to tie in with an episode of Make Your Mark, but yeah, that's a thing that we never got. So yeah, I mean, good to see Allura again, and even from this short appearance in Tell Your Tale, she still appears to be such a better villain than Opalyn was. She just seems way more threatening and competent in what she's doing, and even if it's just throwing out Izzy. Yeah, okay, the mind wiping, maybe not the best idea, and doing it again and again also could have been dealt with a bit smarter, but it is Tell Your Tale, so we are a bit limited there. Yeah, moving on to the next episode, and of course it's going to be something completely unrelated, because of course it will be. And yeah, I think there's one more episode with Allura, but we're not going to tackle that one today, so we'll do that next week, I guess. Anyhow, let's move on to episode 22, Attack of the Vending Machine. Yeah, once again at
Whoa, where'd you get
the
that,
fair.
Izzy? It came out of the new vending machine.
Who put a new vending machine there? That looks trustworthy.
Look, a giant pineapple. A candy
Why would you want that?
Ponycorn, please. Whoa!
Yeah, that seems perfectly normal and safe and not weird at all. And it's gone.
What's going on? I want to turn. What's wrong with this thing?
Whoa, this place is a mess.
What seems to be the problem?
I think the new
Everything.
vending machine is broken. Look, everything has bite marks.
Must be a loose wire or something. Good thing I'm pretty hoovesy with a wrench.
Are you sure that's a good idea?
Don't worry, there's always a trick to these things. You just gotta...
Sunny!
Good job. You think this is...
Hitch, over here.
Oh, nailed it.
Hitch, are we inside the vending machine?
No, you're inside
These things work.
some weird-ass fever dream.
More
That's
bite
not
marks, just like
what a
Cinderella's
vending machine
apple.
looks like.
We better check it out.
It looks like all the snacks are being pulled down.
I think we need to get down there.
Down there? Into that scary candy vortex? Sure, piece of cake. Not literally, not literally. Sunny, look out!
I can see a path.
I'm right behind you.
Can you?
Aim for the soda can. Up ahead.
Cheese puffs, 12 o'clock. Donut emergency! Donut emergency!
Just go through the middle.
Hold on. Hold on.
Good job, you two.
Kevin?
Who?
Maritime Bay's most wanted crook. I should have known.
Why is he giant?
You've had your fun, Kevin. It's time to put the lollipop down and come with me. Let's use our words, buddy.
No, the time for words is definitely over.
I don't think he wants to talk.
Stay very still, Sonny.
What gave you the impression?
Time to take out the trash. Uh-oh.
More disgusting purple soda.
That's enough. I'm all three pony kinds, wrapped up into one. My cutie mark comes to life with hope, bright as
I mean, we didn't have that for like one episode.
over.
Nice try, buddy. You can come down from that sugar high back at the station. Thanks for having my back in there, Sonny.
Anytime.
And again, another
Always.
Sunny and Titch episode. We went so long without one, and then we had two in rapid succession.
Hey!
Yeah, as was to be expected, another episode that is pretty much unrelated to the previous one. Yeah, nobody cares that there's just a vending machine appearing with no one having put that there. It's just one of these things that happens in Tell Your Tale, I guess. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. After the previous episode, I don't have that much to say for this, really, so I'll just cut it short here. And then next time we'll tackle the last two episodes, and then, yeah, well, let's see, maybe there are some half-finished episodes, animatics and stuff. Maybe we'll tackle that afterwards. But yeah, that's it from me for today. As always, I've been Stratagem. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.